Hi, welcome to this video. In the past videos, we have seen how to use the trigonometrical relationship, trigonometrical functions. But in this video, we will understand that the angles are not only measured in degrees, but they are also sometimes calculated in radians. While in India, the most prevalent measure of the angles is in degrees, the question can always offer the degree measured in the radians, and we need to know how exactly convert one thing into the other. So let me quickly offer to you the conversion measure, and that is that 180 degrees is equivalent to the pi radians. So when we are making this kind of 180 degrees, it is also called equal to the pi radian. In your calculator, you always have an option to convert from degrees to radian or vice versa. For example, if I were to show you this calculator, you can see that here we have the radian here. That means if I press this, you can see the radian has come here, and if I want it in degrees, then it is by default in degrees. So this is how we can use the degrees and radians in the calculator. However, in some of the questions, some of the non-calculator questions, we sometimes need to convert the degrees into radians or the vice versa. So here we are going to quickly see one such question and try to understand that how exactly such conversion can be done. So knowing the fact that 180 degrees equal to pi radians, if we have a question ever such as this, that converts 60 degrees into radians, so we can quickly say that since 180 degrees is equal to pi radians, we can say 1 degrees will be equal to pi divided by 180 radians, and similarly 60 degrees is equal to pi divided by 180 multiplied by 60, that becomes pi by 3 radians. So that is a simple method of converting the degrees into radians. Let's quickly try this once again with another example. So the next example is right here, example 2. Here we have convert these many radians into degrees. So we start once again that pi radians we already know is equal to 180 degrees. So 1 radian will be equal to 180 divided by pi degrees, and now we have 3 pi by 2 radians. So we are once again using the simple unitary method, that will be equal to 180 divided by pi multiplied by 3 pi divided by 2. Pi cancels out each other, and 2 can cancel it 90 times, which means it is equal to 270 degrees. Even if you want to do it manually, you will be able to understand that 3 pi by 2 is equal to pi plus pi by 2, and while pi is equal to 180 degrees, pi by 2 is half of 180, that is 90 degrees, and the sum is equal to 270 degrees. So either you can just simply bifurcate a bigger radian angle into the various parts which you can easily convert, or you simply use the unitary method to convert the degrees into radians or vice versa. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.